Today we are going to learn a composition based on a word. And what is the word? This is India. See, the way I am writing, you will also write the same way. Each and every letter should have gap in between themselves. Now we'll start with I. We'll just make another line along the I and we'll draw a small slipping line. Then with the curved line we will complete to draw our national flag. So now with the I we can make our national flag. This drawing will be based on Independence Day. We can name the drawing as Unity in Diversity. Next, we will proceed to draw with N. See, like this way you will complete another line and one more slanting line and standing line. Then here we will draw 3 small lines like this way. I hope you have understood what we are drawing now. So we will depict various religions, what we have in India. Next we will continue with D. You can see we will complete the circle and we will erase the middle line. Like this way we will complete the composition. Here we will draw one slipping line. The line should be straight, but I would prefer not to use scale, okay? Whatever you can draw, you try to draw freehand. With the slipping lines and standing lines, we will complete this. Two straight lines we will draw to depict the flag here. Now next we will proceed to another I. IND has completed. Now another I. With that I we are going to make a church. So step 1, to draw the slanting line, the slipping line. Then like this way we will continue with slanting lines and standing lines. You can see, like this way we will complete the another I, drawing with another I. Next we will proceed to A, the last letter of this word A, India, A. Now here we have drawn a slanting line like this. Like this way we are going to complete. Here also we are using few standing lines and slanting lines. Now like this way you will complete the last steps. And now to complete the composition we will add few more grass. see, like this way with the curved line we are going to do that to give it a nice look.